Alex's alarm clock rings, waking him up from a peaceful sleep. He stretches his arms wide, ready to start a new day full of adventures. Alex hops out of bed and lands with a soft thud on the floor. He quickly grabs his favorite slippers and runs to the bathroom. After splashing water on his face, Alex grabs his toothbrush. He brushes his teeth while looking at himself in the mirror with a fun, goofy grin. Now it's time to pick out his clothes. Alex rummages through his wardrobe, pulling out his favorite t-shirt and pants. He spins around excitedly, ready for the day. Alex heads to his desk and opens his backpack. He starts placing his books, lunchbox, and stationery inside, making sure he doesn't forget anything important. Alex races downstairs to the kitchen where his mom has already prepared a delicious breakfast. Pancakes, eggs, and fruit are all waiting for him on the table. After a hearty breakfast, Alex grabs his backpack and heads out the door. He waves goodbye to his mom as he steps out into the bright morning. On his way to school, Alex walks through the neighborhood, bouncing with energy. Birds chirp overhead, and the path is lined with blooming flowers. Finally, Alex arrives at school. He runs to meet his friends, ready for another exciting day of learning and play.